There was a city where dreams went to sleep. Every night, the people of Lumera closed their eyes. But when they woke up, they remembered nothing. No wishes, no hopes, no past. The streets were quiet, and the sky had forgotten how to glow. But one girl, Era, was different. Every morning she woke with a strange sound in her mind, like a heartbeat or a whisper. Sometimes it said her name, softly. Era, don't forget. She didn't know what it meant, but she felt it pulling her, like a tiny spark in a cold world. One morning, while walking through the fog-covered streets, Era found a man painting stars on a wall. He said he was a dream keeper, one of the last who remembered. Era asked, "Why do you paint stars when the sky has none?" The man smiled. "Because light begins where memory ends." He gave her a small glass jar filled with silver dust. "If you ever feel lost," he said, "open this under the moonlight. It will remind you who you are." Era took the jar home, not knowing it would change everything. That night, she couldn't sleep. She opened the jar, and the dust began to float into the air, glowing like fireflies. Suddenly, she saw flashes. A city full of colors, people laughing, a river made of stars, and herself, smiling beside someone she didn't recognize. Tears filled her eyes. The memories weren't gone. They were hidden. In that moment, the stars on the man's wall began to shine for real. The city was waking up. Era ran through the city, following the trail of lights. Each step made another lantern flicker alive. The streets began to glow. The walls whispered old songs. At the center of the city stood a massive clock, frozen for years. She touched it, and the clock began to move again. But with every tick, memories returned. Love, pain, laughter, loss. People woke up from their sleep, remembering who they used to be. Era realized she wasn't just a dreamer, she was the heart of the city. As the sun rose for the first time in years, the sky turned golden again. The dream keeper appeared beside her and said, "You have done what no one could. You remembered." Era smiled and looked at the awakening city. Children were laughing. The river shone like liquid light. She whispered, "Dreams never die. They just wait for someone brave enough to find them." And when the sun touched her face, she vanished, turning into thousands of glowing sparks that floated above the city, reminding everyone that hope never forgets.